Hey everyone! Sometimes the restaurant visit becomes difficult, so why not make a restaurant style creamy Mughlai chicken drumstick at home and enjoy the mouth-watering flavor in the comfortable ambience of home at the same time? So let's get started! Leave your comments in the comment section and subscribe for more such yummy recipes. Let's get ourselves started with the marination, for which 4 tablespoons of hung curd does the trick. Yeah, cannot give credit to the hung curd alone. It is followed by 1 tablespoon garlic paste and 3/4 tablespoon of ginger paste. Color of the dish comes from 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, salt to taste. Nicely beat the ingredients. Chicken drumstick is then dropped into the marinade. Let them nicely soak into the marinade. I had made slits into the drumstick so that the marinade seeps into the chicken. Cover the bowl and keep it aside for minimum 2 hours. Keeping it longer will make it juicier. Next is making the masala paste. Take a dry pan for dry roast, to which add 1 inch cinnamon stick, followed by 2 cardamom pods, again followed by 3 cloves. Adding spices continues with 1 to 2 petals of javitri or mace, only a small piece of jaifal or nutmeg, finally a handful of cashews or almond. Dry roast the ingredients for a couple of minutes. We need to make a paste out of all these, but do not forget to add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened khoya, which will make the dish rich. Next, in a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of ghee and add enough oil to be able to shallow fry the chicken. If you want to adjust the amount of oil and ghee, please feel free. Here enters the drumsticks into the hot oil. Make sure to wipe off most of the excess marinade to maximize the flavor. Fry from one side, then turn it over. Once it is lightly fried from the other side, cover and cook so that the chicken is cooked from inside. We will turn them again and repeat the process until we see the chicken is tender and fried. While the chicken is getting juicy, in another kadhai, take 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. To it, add 2 medium finely chopped onion. Fry it until they are translucent. Interrupt and add 3 tablespoons of onion paste. Do not forget 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Fry them until the raw smell of the ingredients disappear. This looks done, so it's time for the powdered masalas, such as half teaspoon of chili powder only if you like it spicy, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, and the leftover marinade. Why to waste when it can increase the taste? Fry the ingredients for a couple of minutes. Then add little water to it to avoid burning of the masala. Stir. Finally, the already made paste gets its turn. Give a quick stir. Add it salt to taste. Remember that the fried chicken has salt in it, so adjust carefully. To this, add about half teaspoon sugar to balance the taste. Let the gravy boil and thicken a little. Let's check on our chicken now. Wow, the chicken is perfectly fried. Take them out and go straight to the boiling gravy. The gravy is nicely thickened now. Finally, the chicken drumstick makes its way into the gravy and immerse them into the creamy gravy. Cover and let it boil for about 5 minutes. The aroma would have spread around the house and it will be difficult to resist. I cannot resist, so it's time I get my ghee rice ready, which will go best with the creamy chicken Mughlai drumstick. Ingredient list is for you to view. Would like to see you subscribe before you go. Bye for now.